Meaning of herein.
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 Herein. Herein is an adverb that means in this document, in this statement, or in this matter. It is commonly used in legal documents and formal writing. When the word herein is used, it indicates that the following information or statement can be found in the same document or text. Using herein helps to clarify the location of the relevant information and reduces confusion for readers. In summary, herein is an adverb that signifies that the information or statement being referred to is within the same document or text.